Hey guys, what's up? Welcoming to my YouTube channel. Hope all are you doing great. In this video, I will unbox the NCERT'S book set from class 6 to class 12. But before unboxing, I want to share some details like from where and why the set of books I bought. Yes, first I will tell why. See, hope all of you know that NCERT'S books from class 6 to class 12 are basic books to build basic knowledge for UPSC CSE exams as well as state service exams. And I bought this set of books from Flipkart. I ordered this set of books in last week. I got this set 4 days before the expected delivery date. And during this ordering books, I am in dilemma like whether which mode is better to buy books in online or offline. But one of my friends suggested that in online also better, so I decided to order this set in online. And in Flipkart also I searched so many set of books, but compared to all I found that this set of books is pretty good. Why I am saying this good? Compared to price, quality as well as reviews, this set I found it is good, but still I also don't know whether all books came with good quality or not. I am hoping that everything is good. Without wasting the time here, let's unbox now. I will show each book one by one. First book, our past one, Social Science for class 6. Next, our past 2, Social Science for class 7. And Social Science, our past 3, this is the class 8. And next, Social Science class 9th, India and the Contemporary World 1. Next, and this is also Social Science, India and Contemporary World 2 textbook for class 10th. Next, this is the History for class 12th, themes in Indian History part 3. Next, themes in Indian History part 1, class 12. And this is the class 11th textbook of history, themes in world history. Next, this is the contemporary world politics. This is the textbook in political science for class 12th. Next, this is the fundamentals of human geography, class 12th. This is the geography. And this is the India people and economy. This is the geography for class 12th. This is And this is the social change and development in India, sociology for class 12th. Next, this is the politics in India since independence. This is the class 12th of political science. Next, democratic politics 2. This is the class 10th of political science. Next, democratic politics 1. This is the textbook in political science for class 9th. Next, this is the social science, social and political life 3. This is the class 8th textbook. Next, this is the social science, social and political life part 2. This is the class 7th textbook. Next, this is the social science, social and political life 1 textbook for class 6th. Next, this is the understanding economic development. This is the social science for class 10th. This is the economics textbook for class 9th. Next, this is the introductory macroeconomics. This is the class 12. Next, introductory microeconomics textbook in economics for class 12. Next, this is the social science, the earth our habitat 1. This is the geography for class 6th. Next, our environment. This is the geography for class 7. Next, this is the class 8th geography textbook, social science, resources and development. And this is the contemporary India 1 for class 9th geography textbook. And contemporary India 2. This is the 10th class geography textbook. Next, this is the fundamentals of physical geography. This is the class 11th textbook. This is the India physical environment textbook in geography for class 11th. And this is the understanding society for class 11th. This is the introducing sociology for class 11th textbook. This is the statistics for economics class 11th. Political theory for class 11th in political science. And India Constitution at Work class 11th political science textbook. And this is the Indian economic development for class 11th. Yes, these are all the 35 books of NCERT'S. See, all 35 books came. Whatever I expected, all the books I got with good quality. If you want, see inside also. Yeah, the quality and color, print, papers and all good. I satisfied with the set of these books. I want to say thanks to Flipkart because I got these books before 4 days the expected date of delivery, and all books are covered with good packing and all. I will post the link in description. If you want, please go and order. I satisfied with this set of books. This set of books are awesome. So I hope this video is helpful for everyone. So please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, for upcoming uploaded videos, and encourage me to do more videos. That's it for today. Stay tuned for upcoming uploaded videos. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.